following on from what my dad taught me all those years ago, and actually being quite bored within my job because I couldn't move any further within there. Starting a distillery was my next practical step to do. As we started, we used to use a 35 litre still, where the business was more focused on its local area, locality, the inspirations from around the county, which is Lincolnshire, where we're in. And from there, we created Lincolnshire's first gin. We became Lincolnshire's first distillery as well, which gave us a huge PR push, which helped the business grow rapidly. Within our first year, we decided to take on our first contract work, which then created the path for producing other people's spirits. As I used to work with a really small team, it was more beneficial for us to create other people's distillates and products, as we did not have the marketing company or marketing strengths behind us, but we had the strengths of distillation and process behind us, which means we could venture out into creating other products for other people. So on site we currently make gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. We make a whole plethora of different low ABV beverages. We produce liqueurs as well, tequilas, and we try to make as many different beverages. We have an in-house laboratory as well, where we can replicate, reproduce or design liquids of any type. We have come over some problems when we are trying to scale up into large distillation. We find it's just not efficient to use electricity over 1,000 litres in distillation, and also our control isn't what we need. With steam, we have instant heat straight away, and then also we have no inertia once we shut the still down. When we're cutting our products electronically by temperature, we need to know that we are cutting the spirit in exactly the same position for consistency all the time. If we are cutting using an oil jacket, we have to cut at a below temperature before the temperature of the oil runs down in conjunction with the liquid in the still. With steam, as soon as we cut the steam, we know within 10 to 15 seconds that the inertia is out of that steam and the boil stops. Gives us a nice, steady, controlled distillation, and also the perfect conditions to cut distillation for consistency and safety throughout our processes. The distillery and its processes are built around consistency, sustainability and safety. If we're trying to heat 5,000 litres of solution via electric or oil, we're going to use an awful lot of energy, which is going to cost, in the end, environmental impacts. Using steam gives us a rapid increase in temperatures and also a very good control. Deliberately overspec the boiler for the processes that we need, so then we can grow in other processes if needed. And then we see that the boiler really does ramp down and sits at zero output for a while, where we use that pressure and then it builds back up nice and slowly and back. Again, it saves us a lot of cost in our energy uses, and it increases our efficiencies and our safety, and is also very sustainable running for our distillery processes. Comparing the CERTUSS boiler steam usage rather than using electrical usage, we see far rapid heat up times, and we also, again, we get greater consistency through our products. The advantageous usage of using steam, again, is safety, heat up, control, shutdown, lower maintenance costs, higher safety within the building, and also the products going out the door are consistent throughout batch distillations.